with y'all. It's literally perfect size.
Why don't you stay? I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
Okay, you guys can't see me, but I'm going to cut the top with the knife. We'll see if it works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna find another way, but I will get a slit in this. Got a little slit right here. Y'all, I'll be back when it's actually cut. Got it. And I've been using a file to kind of smoothen everything going on in there. We'll get some money and see if that's big enough. And if we widen it, I'll let you know. As you see, it's perfect. I made my own little slot for the money and the money. First thing I'm doing right now before we start painting is I'm going to be putting these letters. I really wanted like cursive letters, and these are perfect. And I'm going to be putting that probably in a blank spot where there's not going to be a lot of things. So here, this is my ring light. I got it covered. This took forever to save now. I was trying to put adventure weights, but I bought one of these sheets and realized, oh, I only bought one, and so I only get one sheet of letters. And obviously adventure has 2 E's. I was here for like an hour, guys, but I finally figured out save now sounds good. Sounds like an ad, but it's nice enough. So we should just start painting. So I'm just using this acrylic paint. It's black, and I'm just doing that all on the water of the globe. As you can see, the lettering is there. I added it here because this place seemed really boring, like there's nothing going on right here. The reason why I put sticker letters there is so I can paint over it no problem, and then at the end I'm gonna trace over them in gold. This is gonna be a long, long night, but I'm excited. So I did the black. I did like as much as I can of the black right now, and then I'm just gonna do white on top, and I'll come back to do the black later, but we're gonna just focus on the white. I have so much of this white paint left that I actually don't need. I bought 2 of these just in case, but I think I'm doing pretty good. Okay, y'all, this is the white. I'm putting the white Africa's first AA, Tanzania, but I literally bought this, and it's a gloss, it's not a paint. So I literally just came back from Walmart, got myself some candies, and I'm filling in the white. So I think I'm just gonna be using this big flat brush just to get everything, like paint all them white, and then I'm going to be using this tiny little brush to get the out edges and make sure everything is perfecto. So yeah, back to business. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I have all the black and all the white, and then I'm gonna go black now. This is the hard part. This is the detail, and I'm gonna go get all deep in those edges. It's gonna be tiring.
Tomorrow.
Hi, you missed hours and hours of work, so good for you. So I put a bunch of white to make it super opaque. I've even made the black everywhere, like I'm so happy. But what you missed is basically I just started outlining last night. I was up till 6. I started outlining it gold, and what I realized was it's probably my paintbrushes, but the paint was too streaky. So since I already had, I think I talked about it with you guys, I already had like some protruding parts in the continents, I just decided to kind of like, what is this, stipple, so the whole thing looks texturized, and it's not just like straight and then there's like one protruding area. So the whole thing looks texturized now, and that's why I'm happy I did it that way, because now I don't care that it looks messy, because that's kind of the look I'm going for. So I started up with the gold. Oh, I also did the save money part, or save now. It looks cheesy like the save now, but I'm happy now that I did a short one because this was so annoying to do. Like, if you guys don't even understand how annoying this was to do and how annoying it was to peel off. So I am happy I did a short one now. And I said I was gonna paint this gold and this gold, and I started painting this gold, but thank God this is paint that can come off really easy. But I've decided I think I'm gonna leave these their color because I think it just looks better that way and more modern, like to put this in your house. I think it's gonna look tacky if I paint the whole thing gold. So I'm gonna leave it like that and just do the gold accents, but it looks gorgeous. It looks so pretty. Like, I don't know, this is kind of what I was envisioning, but this is like, I feel like it's better. But like the outlining of the gold, I know right here. I was very hesitant to do the outlining of the gold because I thought it wasn't gonna look that good. So I was like, should I do it? Because I thought the black and white was good, but I was like, oh, it's so boring though. So I'm glad I did it, but this gold, it's not like acrylic paint, you guys. I thought I got acrylic paint, but it's just a luster. I knew when I was in the store, I'm like, I don't think this is acrylic, but this is the color I want. It's a luster, so this is like super sticky and annoying to work with. It's just super sticky and annoying to work with, so outlining has been a little bit tough, but we've gotten it done. If you guys are going to do this D.I.Y project, sorry I look a mess, guys. I'm an artist, okay? Artist. I don't have to look done up to do my art. If you guys are going to do this, please remember that nobody knows exactly how the world globe looks, so don't get too picky and too particular with it. I'm glad I read that because I would have gotten very particular. Oh, I forgot. There's a whole bottom spot of white I haven't done yet. Can you guys see? It's not white yet, so I'm gonna flip that over and do that and get that one over with. But yeah, if you're anything like me, I'm like perfectionist. That's why I have all these like little tiny like spots that are there, and I'm glad I did them because this spot is very blank, but this will be in the back because I'm glad I cut the hole here. Like, everything worked out like perfectly. But yeah, don't be too anal about those areas because it's really not that deep. What I love about this acrylic paint is it dries so quick, like so quick. I literally thought I was gonna have to do layers and come back tomorrow and do another layer and come back tomorrow. No, this dries so quick. I didn't expect it to dry so quick. When it dried so quick, I think that's why I literally did all of this last night. I wasn't intending to, but I think that's why, because I was like, yo, it's dry, I might as well just keep going. Yeah, so I'm really happy with how it turns out. It looks so beautiful. Like, just walking into someone's house and seeing this, it's stunning. Like, I'm literally in love and so proud of myself. But now I have to clean these brushes and start again. Guys, the thing is, I love doing art, but I can only really do art for people I care about, I feel like, because after a while I get exhausted and over it. But since it's for someone I care about, I'm just like, okay girl, just push through it, and I just perfect it more. So I feel like just this is like a fun hobby for me. But if I had to like sell products and like if I sold this, I'm sorry, I would make it like $300. Like, this is so time consuming. Not even like 500. A little bougie there, huh? It did start a little late today, pretty much 3, but yesterday I went to bed at literally like 7, so it's all right. Question, also, if you guys have any tips for like painting and like having your back feel okay, please let me know because the girl is struggling.
Tomorrow for sure.
The last morning, my friend is coming in 30 minutes, and this is what it looks like. I'm kind of upset. I sealed it yesterday, but I should have took my time when I did it. Definitely my fault, but it just looks like streaky like that. You guys see? And I wish it looked how it looked before, like. But it's okay. It still looks sick. You live and you learn. But I'm gonna seal it with some Mod Podge, and if my friend actually doesn't like it like that, which I highly doubt, I'll just reseal it and dab it. So we're gonna use this. I came outside because I've never used this before. It's done. Guys, how do you like my little globe? It says save now. I should have put start now right here, but it's okay. How do you guys like my globe? I love it, the bottom. It looks beautiful. All that's left to do is to carve like a little message right there. But it looks awesome. Thank you guys for joining this journey with me. It's been a long 2 days, but I am so forever grateful that it turned out so awesome. And this was like one of the most tedious, longest projects I've ever done, but I would not regret it. I mean, I would not do it. Like, I'm so grateful for it, and I think the reaction is going to be exciting. And I don't think you guys can see the reaction because my friend doesn't do cameras, so I'm sorry about that. But my friend lets me. You guys will see a reaction, but I highly doubt it. Yeah, I'm so excited. I see my friend in 30 minutes. I've been up for like, I slept horrible. I woke up like horrible. I mean, I slept at a horrible time, really late. I woke up super early because I cannot wait. And in 20 minutes, yes! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys have done any quarantine projects or any projects or have any projects you want me to do, let me know. We are not a DIY channel, but if I'm doing projects, I should start filming them because I have a lot of fun doing them. And yeah, so don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Remember to be humble and always remember self-love. That's one in there. Windows watching me. Self-love. It's the best love. There are so many bees out here. I gotta go. It's not goodbye. It's see you later. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye. This is dope.
We enjoyed your time. I'm still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.